Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you PC enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the ASUS Prime H610M-E D4-CSM LGA 1700 Matx Commercial Motherboard. Trust me, folks, this might just be the best Intel Matx motherboard available right now. Let's kick things off with an overview of the ASUS Prime H610M-E D4-CSM. This motherboard is designed to accommodate Intel's 12th and 13th generation processors, including the Pentium Gold and Celeron series. It features the LGA 1700 socket, which is ready for these powerful CPUs. When it comes to keeping your system cool and stable, the ASUS Prime H610M-E D4-CSM has you covered. It boasts a PCH heatsink and Fan Expert 2 Plus for comprehensive cooling solutions, ensuring your PC runs smoothly even during demanding tasks. ASUS knows that businesses need reliable hardware, which is why this motherboard is part of the ASUS corporate stable model lineup. It comes with a 12-month supply, EOL notice, and ECN control, making it perfect for commercial use. Plus, the ASUS Control Center Express helps streamline IT endpoint management. ASUS goes the extra mile by including an event log feature that allows you to capture and manage detailed system information. And remember, this motherboard is primarily designed for use in the US. So make sure to check compatibility before purchasing if you're located outside the United States. Now, let's talk about the price. The ASUS Prime H610M-E D4-CSM is available on Amazon for just $99.99. It has a solid 4.1-star rating on Amazon, with users praising its functionality and value for money. Some have even called it the best modern motherboard they've used. To sum it up, the ASUS Prime H610M-E D4-CSM LGA 1700 Matx Commercial Motherboard is a fantastic choice for both enthusiasts and businesses. Its combination of features, stability, and affordability make it a top contender in the Intel Matx motherboard market. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review specific products, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.